All right, good. So this is Kinemaster. So we are going to use Kinemaster to do the whiteboard animations and the audio and everything. We are going to use Kinemaster to do it together. So what you just need in the Kinemaster, and put the application down at the description below. So that is it. I think I should do the introduction to. I'll put the introduction video at the description below, so you can check it out there too. So we need to click on the create new. So again, 16:9, that's what we are using. Then you need to bring the whiteboard animation template that we've already did on the all right, this is the tool file. So the first thing you have to do, click on this, then go to this, which is our timeline, then go to 2. Just increase it to 2 so that it can be more faster. So increase it to 2 because of the audio is not accurate with this, so that it can be more faster, because it has to be fast, not too slow, not too fast. So now we need to bring out the audio by clicking on audio, then go to your song. We need to bring out the audio and go to folder, so that you just go to where I save it. Okay, so this is it. So let's play it.
It's not easy to say goodbye to something that has been a mainstay in your life. But sometimes you have to try new things and break with tradition way of selling your property. Introducing Easy Sold Property Company.
Now we just have to adjust it. It's too fast, so now we need to adjust it. So you need to stretch this this thing, just stretch it with your 2 finger like this. So now let's see it.
It's not easy to say goodbye.
So the first is to cut this one to the left, then bring it like this, so that we can be able to do all some sort of things there. So number 1 done. Then this one I think is too fast. It's too fast. Can just give it like this. Give it in like this. Then take this one back to 1.5. Alright. Or lesser than that. Then which one is fast again? This one is okay. This one is quite fast too. So we have to cut it. Just cut it. Then give it 1.5. All these introduction to Kinemasters has been in the description below, so just check it. I've made it out there. So then this one too, you can cut it. You can cut this. So all these are paid versions of my course that you are getting for free right now. So hit the subscription button to get more video. So now we are going to reduce it to this. So now it should be perfect right now. That's it.
Not easy to say goodbye to something that has been a mainstay in your life. But sometimes you have to try new things and break with tradition way of selling your property. Introducing Easy Sold.
So we now have to work on the audio on itself. So let's see.
Not easy to say goodbye to something that has been a mainstay.
So just to give it a little gap, go to the where it has a gap here. So break it, then move it like this, hold it down and move it. Then next aspect is to break this one too. I think this is the next one. So breaking it here, zoom it very well so that you can see it. So break it here, then move it. Let's see the movement. So we are going to sound to it so that it cover everything that it
Say
has
goodbye
gap.
to something mainstay. Sometimes.
So in your life you need to, I think, so you have to listen to it. You have to listen. Let me see. Okay.
In your life.
So we can bring this one to in, then shift it in. Okay. So we can just play it. Once you are able
goodbye
to
to something that has been a mainstay in your life. But sometimes you have to try new things and break with.
So I'll try new thing. That's it.
in your life.
Can just make this one to still go here in your life. So but sometimes you have to try new things and bring it here. So
But sometimes you have to try new things and
new thing, okay.
try new things and break with tradition way of selling your property. Introduce
Selling your property. So we should have worked on the test first on
break with
the
tradition way of selling your property.
it's good. It's good.
Introducing easy
This sound that I got on Kinemaster. So this Kinemaster music ancestor. So release it there. That's all. So we are going to review down.
easy to say goodbye to something that
Please see much to the left. Oh, a little bit. Let's see.
not easy to say goodbye to something that has been a mainstay in your life. But sometimes you have to try new things.
So let's use it like this. Alright, so this is the work. So this is the work now. We are done with it. So let's listen to it and
Easy to
see.
say goodbye to something that has been a mainstay in your life. But sometimes to change tradition selling your property. Easy property.
So we can increase the sound more. So you should make sure you work more on how to develop your scripts. Okay, so that's it. So let me see your work on how you do your work. So note that everything that is good need time. You need to pay time to it. You need to pay time to it. So that's just it. Even though this class comes for free, but I pay time for it to build this thing up for you.
Not easy to say goodbye to something that has been a mainstay in your life. But sometimes to try and break with way of selling your introducing sold property company.
So it's unbelievable that this can be done on phone. So that is it. So then the next thing is to export your file. That is all. So thank you. So